welcome to my class. In this particular class, we will talk about different types of network. We can divide all types of networks into three parts. The first one on the basis of geography, the second one on the basis of topology, the third one is on the basis of services rendered. On the basis of topology, let's first try to understand the meaning of network topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which computers, that is nodes in a network, are linked together. Student, please note that any device connected to network is termed as node. Whether a computer is connected to the network or a printer is connected to the network, it will be termed as node. So the term network topology refers to the way in which the computers or nodes in a network are linked together. In simple words, the pattern in which computers are connected to each other is termed as topology. This pattern can be in the shape of straight line or a ring shape or star shape and so on. In other words, the structure or layout of the cabling in connecting the devices to form a network is called topology. The way we have laid down cables to connect devices is termed as topology. On the basis of topology, we can divide networks into 6 parts. The first one is bus topology. Second one, star topology. The third one, ring topology. The fourth one, mesh topology. The fifth one, tree topology. And the last one is hybrid topology. Among the types of network, here we will talk about tree topology. Tree networking structure or tree topology. First of all, let us look at the diagram of tree structure. This is in the formation of tree structure, so we call it tree topology. Structure. The tree network or tree topology consists of central root computer at the top level of the hierarchy. At the top level there is one particular computer and we call that top level computer as central root computer. This root computer is connected to one or more other computers that are one level lower in the hierarchy. The root computer is at the top and below that there can be one or more computers. That will be termed as second level with the point-to-point link between each of the second level computers and the top level central root computer. At the top we have central computer, that is the root computer. At the second level we can have a point-to-point link of the second level computer with the top level computer. The second level computers are further connected to other computers that are one level lower in the hierarchy. We call it as the third level. But again there is a point-to-point link. The third level computers are connected point-to-point with the second level. The top level central computer is the only computer that has no other computer above it in the hierarchy. The hierarchy of the tree is symmetrical. Each computer in the network has a specific fixed number of computers connected to it at the next lower level in the hierarchy. The flow of information cannot bypass any of the intermediary level. If the information has to go from the third level to the first level, then it has to pass through the second level. It cannot directly go to the first level. The information from the root node goes to the second level of the nodes and from the second level of nodes to the third level of hierarchy and vice versa. Student, once again please note that node means any device connected to the network. Here we are simply taking it, node means a computer. So the top level computers are connected to the second level computer, and the second level computers are connected to the third level computers in the hierarchy. Now look at the advantages and disadvantages of the tree topology. Tree topology is easily scalable. The secondary level in the hierarchy allows more devices to be connected to a central node. At the top we have one computer. At the second level we can increase the number. We can connect it to the top level. The disadvantage is that maintenance of the network may become a problem if the network spans a great area. If larger the area of tree topology, the maintenance becomes a real issue. Advantage: it allows point-to-point connection of devices. The biggest disadvantage is that if the central root node fails, this topology is of no use. Again, another disadvantage is that tree network is very difficult to configure than other network topologies. Other topologies are easy to establish, but this tree structure becomes little more difficult to configure. The advantage is, since there are different levels of nodes in the hierarchy, the network makes it more manageable. Hence, fault identification also becomes easier. So one of the advantages is that if any of the nodes stop working, then we can identify where the fault is. Fault identification becomes quite easy. The cable TV network is an example of tree networking or tree topology. Thank you very much.